ceremony. I feel very honored to have the opportunity for delivering the speech today. Really, this is a very important day, but now I am having the mixed feelings of emotions and nervousness because it is with great sadness and heavy heart that we have to say goodbye to our elder sisters and brothers today. Although we think it's just a farewell ceremony because it's maybe not possible to leave our mind forever. Everyone has to say goodbye. Basically, our life is very short. This school life is more shorter. Today, you are saying goodbye to end one chapter of your education life and start another chapter. We have many prayer and best wishes for you. May you all reach the golden height of success. May you play an important role to build a development country and nation. We also want to follow your path. Please forgive us if you have any trouble with our behavior and use while working in the institution. Again, I don't want to say goodbye, but I have to say goodbye. Therefore, in the words of the poet, I will not let you go, but I have to let go. Above all, I wish you a bright future and long life. Now I am going to conclude my short speech here. Thanks for listening my speech with a great passion. If I create any mistake in my speech, please pardon me and pray for me. I also pray for you. Thank you.
ধন্যবাদ সুমাইয়া তাসনিমকে। এবারে এসএসসি পরীক্ষার্থী যারা দেবেন তাদের মধ্য থেকে বিদায়ী ভাষণ দেবেন